Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own animated loading bar in Canva. So you can start by adding this blurred love element. So you can just type in blur as the keyword and find this love element. After that, you can adjust the size and then just duplicate this elements. Click on this. Click on Edit Image and change the color of the copy version. So you can use the duotone effects, this one, to change the color. Okay, for example, here I'm going to change it with this pop color. Now let's add the text first. I'm going to just go with heading and I'm going to write loading before adding the loading bar, and here change the font using the key pixel font. Okay, I'm going to use this, press start, and I'm going to change the text into white, the color, and let's start making the loading bar. Go to elements and add a line elements here. Click on the line category, and here I'm going to use this. I'm going to make it shorter. Okay, after this, duplicate the line and put it at the bottom like this. So now the frame is finished, and what you need to do next is go add shape. So I'm going to click on shape and add sorry, let's close it first. Go to shape and add this rectangle and make it smaller to fill in the loading bar. I'm going to change the color into white and make it smaller. Okay, let's put it here inside the loading bar. Okay, so after the loading bar is created, you can just duplicate the slide. So here I'm going to just click on the page here to show the page, and let's duplicate it like this. So after you copy the slide, let's click on the second slide or second page, and here I'm going to just write, for example, you. Okay, and here change or adjust the size of the shape to make it looks like it's fully loaded like this. Okay, now click on the transition, this one in between the slide, add transition, and click on the match and move. Okay, I'm going to adjust the duration of the first slide into only, for example, 2 seconds, and this is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!